A Rutgers ecologist who's a pioneer in seafloor studies that changed our understanding of life on Earth is about to receive the Benjamin Franklin Medal in Earth and Environmental Sciences. The prestigious award, to be presented by the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia next week, highlights the ecologist's leadership in discovering deep-sea ecosystems that are powered by energy from within the Earth and not the sun. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan has the story.
Since 1989, when he left the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, Fred Grassley has led the development of a world-class Institute of Marine and Coastal Sciences at Rutgers and has been a driving force in major international projects, such as the ongoing Global Census of Marine Life. But the Benjamin Franklin Award takes note of one particular event in his long and still productive career, a follow-up visit to deep-sea hydrothermal vents discovered in 1977.
And unfortunately, the group that was on board were all chemists and geologists. And they didn't even have any preservative to keep any of the animals. So the deep-sea biologists in Woods Hole and a colleague at Scripps all got together and decided what to do. And some of the obvious people that might have led an expedition said they couldn't possibly. And so I was elected to pull all this together.
In 1979, Grassley led a multidisciplinary group equipped with an array of state-of-the-art tools and their own shipboard labs to the site called the Galapagos Hot Springs.
It was really startling to find that there was life on the seafloor that was independent of photosynthesis.
Since then, as documented in Stephen Lowe's film Volcanoes of the Deep Sea, a co-production with Rutgers, many teeming deep-sea ecosystems have been discovered, not only at vents along the volcanically active mid-ocean ridges, but also in places where a rich chemical soup seeps up through sediments.
Chemosynthesis is much more important in the deep ocean than anyone had imagined. Instead of the energy supplied by the sun, the energy is supplied by the hydrothermal fluid.
Another discovery made at the vents, the so-called archaea, redrew the tree of life.
There are now three domains of life. There are bacteria, there are archaea, and the rest of the living world, which are called eukaryotes. We really have a very different view of the planet from these discoveries of very unusual microorganisms that we didn't know existed, and the importance of energy from within the Earth for maintaining life.
Patrick Regan, NJN News, New Brunswick.